Hello guys, welcome to my channel and today's video papasyal tayo guys sa isa sa mga bagong tourist attraction ngayon dito sa UAE, particularly sa Abu Dhabi. Ito yung tinatawag nilang the Fossil Dunes, which is located dito sa Al Watba, Abu Dhabi, UAE. Samahan nyo kami guys habang explore namin itong place. Tara! The Fossil Dunes are located approximately 70 kilometers south on Abu Dhabi Island, beyond Musafa and Mohammed bin Zayed City on the Al Ain Truck Road exit 30, and then head south of Al Watba Wetland Reserve. At kapag nandun na kayo sa Wetland Reserve, use a map mobile application to find the site. Abu Dhabi is full of amazing natural scenery and the fossil dunes are up there with the best. Abu Dhabi's fossil dunes are completely natural and were created by a mix of wind, sand, and time. The formations are made by wind-swept sand that when permeated with calcium carbonate starts to harden and form distinct, varied, and abstract structures. Each fossil dunes will change over time and no two formations are ever the same. Fossil dunes have been featured in the movies like Star Wars, The Force Awakens in 2015, and The Sixth Underground in 2019. Visiting the site is completely free, but all visitors are asked to be responsible and not cause any damage on the site. Treat the site with respect and it will be there to enjoy for many years to come and for many others to explore themselves. In visiting fossil dunes, we would suggest to avoid the summer months. Instead, visit between October to February. Since the temperature will be moderate, you will be able to enjoy yourselves more. And also, there are no shelters or shades nearby. Don't forget to carry water and some snacks along with you, as there are no restaurants nearby. Please be careful that there is an army base not too far from the location, and hence certain sections of the road has been marked as photography prohibited. Lagi po nating tatandaan sa pagbisita sa mga magagandang tanawin, mag-iwan po tayo ng magagandang alaala at huwag po tayo mag-iwan ng mga basura. Hanggang sa muli po nating video, ito po si Flong Morales. Maraming salamat for watching. God bless po sa ating lahat.